Let's see if we can put heat transfer vinyl on this plastic passport holder. I'm using the Cricut mini press, which I did set to the highest setting to start with, and my heat transfer vinyl is from Printcess and Puddin. This is the one where you don't mirror and you use a carrier sheet to put it onto your item. I'm also using the silicone paper from Artesprix. Now when I peeled off the first layer, there was damage to the passport holder. It was very slight, but it was there. So I set the mini press, I took it down a notch when I did my second layer. Once again, that's from Printcess and Puddin. And I've pressed it on. Once again, using the silicone paper. When I went to peel off, it wasn't a nice, it just needed to be cooled down a little bit. So I got the Styles heat eraser and put that over it to take the heat out of it, peeled off nicely. However, there was damage on the passport holder from me having the heat setting too high. So maybe start with a lower heat setting and work your way up.